General liability is important for contractors. Typically when a contractor goes on a job, they're gonna need proof of insurance. So, like, say you're a subcontractor working for a general contractor, the general contractor is gonna have like a subcontractor agreement that says, we need to make sure that you have the following insurance in place. And so normally what they have is general liability, which has a $1 million occurrence limit, $2 million aggregate limit, $1 million advertising injury limit, $5 million medical, and damage to rented premises can be $100K to $1 million. And typically you won't be able to get onto a job site without proof of this insurance because your subcontractor agreement with the general contractor is going to show that you have this. And what is the purpose of this? There are two parts. There's the liability, that if anyone is working on the job site, that they have that. Also, you're going to want to see proof of work comp, but this is general liability we're talking about. The other segment is products and completed operations. That's once the job is finished. If there's any damage, that will be part of the job. Damage, products and completed operations. If there's any problem with the structure you've completed, for instance, you build a wall, the wall fails, and the attendant damage from that wall is going to be covered as a liability exposure from the general liability policy. Another part of it is waiver of subrogation, additional insured. They're going to go, additional insured is don't come back to me after a loss. Waiver of subrogation is we waive any right to come back to you after a loss. Additional insured is you will defend me in the case of a loss.